In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off Siri on Apple WatchOS 11. So if you have an Apple Watch that runs on the latest WatchOS 11 and you want to enable Siri on the Apple Watch, then this video is going to work with your screen. See, my Apple Watch is currently running on the WatchOS 11.0. So here you basically learn how you can easily enable Siri on any Apple Watch with WatchOS 11. So if I download this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first one to do here to disable or turn off Siri on Apple WatchOS 11 is press the 2 crown once. Then click on Settings. Use the G2 crown to scroll down until you get to Siri. So keep scrolling until you get to Siri and click on that. Then you should see Listen for Siri. Click on that. Then tap off so that your Apple Watch will stop listening for Siri, Hey Siri, or Siri. Then scroll down and turn off. Press G2 crown to disable this so that when I press G2 crown, this is not going to wake the Siri like this. Then to not turn off Siri completely on your Apple WatchOS 11, all I just need to do is disable Raise to Speak. Then you should see what that says turn off Siri. Then scroll down and then tap turn off Siri. Once you disable that, then that is going to turn off Siri completely on your Apple WatchOS 11. So that's how you can easily disable or turn off Siri on your Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.